how to make a cardboard plane. First we need the scissors and glue and cardboard and tape. We use by this is always a plane of that. The plane is always first made Wright brothers in 1903. In that before a German guy made it just like a plane. It is not greater. It is always broken. Then the Wright brothers always go 12 seconds up. Then the 12 seconds and the string goes up till it's broken and go again to down. Then it makes again in not look night or evening. And the first storm of 1903 in December 17, and the Wright brothers plane is go on up the sky in a 60 seconds. Now this plane we used 3 wheels, and this is always the Emirates plane. Remember my friends, the Emirates plane is broke and go to sea, and this is where you can go in. That there's the lights. The end of that is the gonna see the going up the fan. Let's little bit go up, okay? Shoo. In the first day, and the train track it's going up like that. 12 seconds. And broke again, something broken. Then the 1903, this is going to be up, 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 up. And again, and as 60 seconds ago, they are the plane. And go again to down. Okay, you listen about what to make a cardboard plane. We use the windows, and these letters we use some markers, and you all listen that to make that. And thank you for listening me. Goodbye.